You just built a feature, but your commit history looks like a mess. WIP, half done. Fix, oops, typo fix. Nobody wants to see 3 ugly commits in main? You want 1 clean commit. That's what git squash does. It combines multiple commits into a single one, and there are 2 ways to do it. Rebase -i and merge --squash. Let's see exactly how both work. Here's our feature branch, 3 commits, all messy. This is what your teammates will probably notice first. We run git rebase -i head ~3. An editor opens, mark F2 and F3 as squash. We're telling Git, take these commits and fold them into F1. Saved, done. Watch this. F2 and F3 collapse into F1. 3 commits become 1. Clean, single, squashed. This cleans up your feature branch history. But there's another approach. Instead of rewriting the branch, we switch to main. Then run git merge --squash feature/login. This takes all the changes from the feature branch and stages them as 1 combined commit. Now we commit 1 message, 1 commit, feat, login flow. All 3 messy commits gone, replaced by 1 clean entry on main. Git squash, rebase -i cleans up your own branch history. Merge --, squash creates 1 clean commit on main. Either way, 1 clean commit. History you're not embarrassed by. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit subscribe for more.